In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add a brand new status to your Jira workflow, step by step. If you've ever wished you could customize your team's process more closely, or maybe just need a checkpoint that matches the way your own team works, then stick around. I'm sitting around. By the end of this video, you'll be able to smoothly update your workflow in Jira and add any status you need, keeping your board organized and tailored to how you really get things done. Let's jump right in. First up, you'll want to open up Jira in your browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, but if not, just enter your credentials. Now, from here, head over to your team project. This is where all the magic happens. You'll probably see your usual project board, but for what we're doing today, you need to access deeper settings that control the structure of your workflow. Look for the three dots, sometimes called the More menu, in the upper right corner of your team project page. Give those a click. This little menu is your gateway to a whole range of project settings that usually stay tucked out of sight, so don't worry if you haven't visited here before. From the menu, select Space Settings. Depending on your Jira version, it might be labeled just as Settings or something similar. But the important thing is, you want to get into your project's configuration area. On the left panel of Settings, take a moment to scan through until you see the Boards section. Click on that, then select Columns and Statuses. This is where you'll see a visual layout of your board, the familiar lanes like To Do, In Progress, and Done. This section basically lets you decide how work moves from start to finish. Just above the To Do column, you'll spot something that says Manage Workflow. Click there. This takes you beneath the surface. Think of it as opening up the engine of your project so you can tinker with the gears that actually move your issues from one stage to the next. Once you're in the Workflow Management screen, look for the option to Edit Workflow. This is usually at the top, and it lets you modify how tasks get tracked and completed in your project. Click that and don't worry. Most changes here are easy to adjust if you make a mistake, so feel free to experiment a bit. Now, here's the exciting part. At the top, you'll spot a button labeled Add New Status. This is what you need to expand your workflow. Go ahead and click it. You'll see two options. Choose Create New Status. This means you're not just picking from a preset list, but you can actually name this status anything you want, perfectly fitting your team's process. Maybe you need something like Needs QA or Waiting for Review. It's totally up to you. Next, simply type in the name for your new status. Pick something clear and meaningful so your teammates will immediately understand what this stage represents. Once you're happy with the name, hit Add, and that's it. You've just extended your Jira workflow with a brand new status. It might take a few seconds for everything to update, so don't worry if you don't see the change instantly. Now, your board has one more status available, making it easier to track work and keep everyone in sync. You can also drag this new status to exactly where it fits best in your workflow. Customizing these stages is a great way to remove confusion and ensure your project reflects how your team actually works. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical Jira tips and workflow hacks. If you run into any issues or have questions about customizing workflows, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and good luck streamlining your next project.